and all the time. Nisaliemeni kwa haya. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. Asanteni sana. Normally I don't read speeches, I normally speak my mind. But this occasion is different because when you sit with professors and PhD holders and masters and you only have one degree, you have to be very careful. So I had to get people who are learned like these people to write for me a speech so that I don't mix myself up. If it was a normal congregation, I would just speak freely. So for today, you allow me to talk what other people have told me. I would have loved to say my own things. Lakini sasa. But now, I'm thoroughly intimidated. Unajua ukweli, mimi ka degree yangu ni kamoja. Niko kama nyinyi mna graduate, sisi na nyinyi tuko pamoja. You are my guys. The ones who are graduating today, you and me, we are the same. Lakini the way the doctor said, no situation or condition is permanent. Hata sisi siku moja tutakuwa maprofesa. Kwani iko nini? Tutakuwa. We join you for this joint graduation of Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology and the Pan-African University Institute for Basic Sciences, Technology and Innovation.